Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here. Let's make some barbecue. Now y'all, I know all these barbecue holidays we have, like Memorial Day, 4th of July, Father's Day. A lot of times we do that too. You don't have to go outside and do all that barbecue, and it's hot. Why don't we stay inside and do it? This is my recipe in my new cookbook called What's Cooking with Dana, y'all, and it starts with country style ribs. This is actually part of the pork loin, so it's very good meat, easy to do, and I'm going to show y'all how to cook it in the oven, and people are never going to know you didn't put it outside, and it is delicious. You can make this year round. It does not have to be just for a holiday. You can make it year round. Okay, first thing we're going to do is go buy some of these country style ribs. Now, and then we're going to wash them and pat them dry. So that's what we're going to do right now. We get in here. I am always thrilled when I see a lot of these put out. See how they look. There's a bone in there, but it's got a lot of meat on it. Regular ribs have good meat on them too, and I love them. Now, don't get me wrong, but in a pinch, and I'm feeding a bunch of people, I can be making the other sides that I'm going to be feeding them while these are cooking. So we're going to crank our oven up to 300, and these will cook for 2 hours, okay? 2 hours, and you're on your way to delicious, decadent, wonderful ribs, and they're called sweet meat barbecue ribs. All right, I'm going to finish this, and I'll be right back with you. Heck, let's just keep going. I've started trying to do more of my videos filmed and edited, because Facebook has been, after a month, they do away with my videos. And then all of you people that have shared it, it's gone. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to I'll still do some lives, but I'm going to start what I call canning them. I can them, put them in a can. So I video them so that they will just stay there. And, when I put them in, they're not live videos. So that's what I'm going to do. What do y'all think about that? Now, give me your thoughts. Anyway, on with the sweet meat barbecue ribs. These are going to be so good. You're going to be so glad you know how to make these. All right. Now what we got to do is start seasoning them. And there's not much to the seasoning. Let me get another thing here and just dry those up good. Then we're going to put some seasoning. Now, the first seasonings you put on there is just your favorite garlic seasoning. Okay, this one right here is onion and garlic seasoning. And David can have this as long as it's dried. He can't have fresh onions. And salt. This is the only thing you're going to do. And you're going to put it in a big 9x13 pan. Now, I'm going to have to get 2 of them because I've got a lot of ribs. So I've got 2. This is a bigger than 9x13. All right. And I always spray. So I'm going to spray these, although there's so much fat and it's going to cook out. It'll be delicious. You don't have to worry about it too much. So what I'm going to do now is just show you how I do it. And I start in here and just salt each one of them. Okay, I'm salting them good on that side. And then I've got my garlic powder. Okay, it smells so good already. It smells so good. And, what I'm going to do is go a little heavy on it. And you go as heavy as you want to. Then I'm going to take my hand and just press it in, because I don't want it all falling off. Well, that one has hardly any. Oh, now it's got a lot. Okay. So now what we're going to do is flip it over and go ahead and line them up in my dish. Y'all are going to be so amazed at how tasty these are, and also so amazed at how easy they are for you to cook. And they are going to shrink up, so I'm going to kind of put one more in there. Scoot over, you. Okay, now, here we go again. We want the salt on this side. And you do want to put some salt on there, you know. But now if you don't like much salt, of course, by all means, salt it according to how you like it. Now, if you want pepper, you also do that too, but I don't. I don't want any pepper, okay? So, not today. All right, now we're going to make sure this is all done. Then we're going to move on to the next one. Oh, y'all, it smells so good in here. There we go. All right, now I'm going to get the foil and cover this up, and it's going to go in a 300-degree oven for 2 hours. 2 hours. And then we're also going to need to make the heat go down to 275. Take the foil off after 2 hours. Leave it in there for 15 more minutes. Before we put it back in there, we will put our favorite, whatever your favorite kind of barbecue sauce is. And I've got a bunch. So that's what we're going to do. So here we go. I'm putting these in the oven, covered in foil. See you shortly. Okay, y'all, the time is up and it is time to pull them out. They've been in there for 2 hours. Now we're going to pull them out and see how we did. Smells so good in here. Okay, now we got to look at them. We got to get the juice out, and then we're going to doctor them up just a little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. This looks so good. Oh, wow. Now you'll see we have lots of juice we got to get rid of, and we are going to do that. We're going to turn our oven down to 275, which I've already done. We're going to pour this juice off, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So y'all just hang tight. All right, y'all, I've got that juice poured off. I've got it poured into a container so I can put it out later. Don't pour it down your drain. It will clog it up. All right, so here's what we got right now. I've got these. I'm going to spread them out, get them where they're not touching, because now we got to do the stuff that's going to make it taste delicious. And one of the things is that you're going to need is your favorite butt rub. Now, I have a butt rub that's got honey barbecue in it, so it's got a little sweet in it. It's got barbecue, and we're going to put this all over it. And this is going to make it taste so good. And you can go as heavy or as light as you like. And then we're going to flip it over, do the other side, and we're going to put some barbecue sauce on it. Your favorite barbecue sauce. Y'all, I always keep a bunch of different barbecue sauces in my refrigerator and in my pantry because I just like different barbecues at different times. So you pick the kind that you want. Flip that over there. We're going to do this again. Put that butt rub on there, and then we're going to, on the very top, we're going to pile up this. Okay, this right here is going to caramelize onto that meat, and you are going to have a wonderful barbecue experience. Your people are going to say, Dana, make us those again. I'm telling you, they will. They'll tell you, make me some more of that. And you do it. And when they go, especially when these go on sale. Y'all know I like a sale. I like a sale. Now, if you want to do both sides of this, you can. It's just entirely up to you. What do y'all think? Both sides? I think let's do both sides. So if we're going to do both sides, I got to flip these little puppies over. Get them all flipped over. Then we're going to put more of this barbecue sauce on. Y'all, when it caramelizes on there, it's just hard to beat. I'm telling you. I've made these on Channel 6. I've made these for different people. People love these, but I've made them on TV, and I had, when I was on Channel 6, the day I cooked these on there, I had people that kept coming back for more until they were gone, and then I had somebody ask for the recipe, and I'm like, well, you know, I'm giving out the rest. Channel 6 will have it on their stuff pretty quick, but anyway, I gave it to them because I thought, you know, why not? But anyway, this is what we're doing. Now we're going to put this in here for 15 minutes. Put it back in for 15 minutes and let this stuff get caramelized on it. And then we're going to have us a wonderful plate of barbecue. Okay, see you in 15 minutes. All right, y'all, time is up. Let's see what we got here. Look at this. These are sweet meat barbecue ribs, also known as country style ribs. Woo-wee! These will cure what ails you, and you don't have to be cooking out outside. If you don't want to, you can do it in your oven, just like I did. Now, let's see how I did. Look at this. It is glorious. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't even know which one I want. They look so good. I think I'm going to try that one. No, let me see. Which one do I get? I've already got my plate ready. And I'm going to, I got a runaway pickle. All right, y'all. This plate's going to look a lot better with some barbecue on it. So, let's see what I got. Oh, yum, yum, yum. I need a big one because I'm hungry. It is fall off. It fell. Oops, this goes on my blooper reel. Blooper reel, blooper reel. All right, let me see if I can get one on here for real. It's so tender. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious, gracious, gracious. Is this what you want on your plate? I think so. Look at that. Country style ribs. Then we've got mac and cheese. We've got some tomatoes, some pickles, some green beans. Looks pretty good, huh? Looks pretty good. All right. What do y'all like it the best? Right there? Let's look at that. All right. Y'all get in the kitchen and make you some country style ribs. Sweet meat barbecue ribs is what they're called in my cookbook. And y'all go get you one. What's cooking with Dana, y'all? And happiness is homemade, y'all. But anyway, the good Lord loves you and I love you too. Y'all go make you some barbecue and make it the easy way. Love and blessings to you. Bye now.